NDA-Safe deal stories, essential phrases for confidentiality. Let's talk about telling work stories without breaking trust. NDAs exist to protect client identity and details, so your credibility depends on honoring them. You can still showcase your expertise. Just share lessons, not secrets. Turn sensitive projects into anonymous, high-level takeaways that highlight decisions, frameworks, and outcomes. Think, what would help a peer learn without revealing who or what is proprietary? This approach keeps you professional, avoids legal risk, and lets you build authority. The goal is simple: teach what's repeatable, skip what's revealing, and keep clients safe while your skills shine. Start with neutral context that informs without exposing. Use labels like a global retailer or a fintech startup, not company names or regions that narrow it down. Replace hard numbers with ranges, say mid-seven figures or Q2 last year, to avoid pinpointing deals. Describe your role and goal, not individuals. As a product lead, I aimed to cut onboarding time. This framing gives listeners enough signal to understand scale and stakes while keeping identity protected. If a detail could identify the client, zoom out one level and speak in categories, not specifics. Keep these ready for live conversations and slides. Use, "Due to confidentiality, I'll keep this high level." That sets expectations early. Follow with, "I can't share names, but here's the approach." Now the focus is on the method, not the client. Add a guardrail, like non-identifying details only, to reassure everyone you're respecting boundaries. These phrases make you sound prepared and trustworthy, and they reduce awkward back and forth. Say them warmly, then immediately deliver value, frameworks, steps, and outcomes that teach without leaking sensitive data. Results are powerful. Share them safely. Focus on outcomes like reduced churn 18% or cut onboarding time by a third, keeping context broad. Attribute to actions, not people. After simplifying the sign-up flow, churn fell, instead of naming teams or executives. Prefer aggregate data over identifiable anecdotes. Across 12 cohorts, NPS rose 9 points, beats a story about one VIP user. When in doubt, bucket metrics, ranges, medians, and avoid rare event details. The message should be, here's what we did, why it worked, and the measurable impact, without pointing to a specific person or account. Teach the path, not the passwords. Share frameworks, not code or pricing. For example, outline a discovery matrix, testing cadence, or decision criteria. Say, we followed a 3-step pilot: scope, experiment, scale, so others can replicate the logic. Avoid tool settings or screenshots that expose configurations. Describe principles like limit variables per test or gate features with clear exit criteria. This keeps the content useful and transferable while protecting IP. Your value is the reasoning, how you framed the problem, chose trade-offs, and measured success, not the secret sauce itself. Prepare to be curious but careful. Use bridge plus protect, "I can't share X, but I can explain Y." Then deliver the principle or workflow. When pressed for numbers, offer a range like between 10 to 20% uplift and note the conditions. If specifics risk exposure, decline politely and pivot. "I can't discuss client pricing, but here's our evaluation rubric." Keep your tone friendly and confident. The key is to reward the question with insight, models, steps, safeguards, while keeping any identifying or proprietary detail off the table. Use this simple structure to teach without leaking. Context: your role plus an anonymized client descriptor as a data lead at a healthcare provider. Challenge: state the high-level problem. Unreliable demand forecasting. Actions: list general steps. Consolidated data sources. Ran a 3-phase pilot. Instituted weekly calibration. Outcome: share quantified, non-identifying results. Forecast error dropped 22% over 8 weeks. This template highlights your decision-making and impact while keeping identities safe. It's repeatable, clear, and professional. Perfect for interviews, conference talks, or portfolio slides. Prioritize anonymity in aggregates. Neutral labels, ranges, and cohort metrics keep clients safe. Use clear disclaimer phrases. Set expectations with concise, confident lines before sharing. Teach methods, not secrets. Focus on frameworks, processes, and outcomes, not names, code, or pricing. Do this consistently, and you'll sound both expert and trustworthy, delivering real value while honoring every NDA you've signed.